friends, welcome to our channel Brain Alive. In this video, we will study negative clamper with positive bias. This is the circuit of negative clamper with positive bias. In case of positive bias, we will connect N region of the diode with positive terminal of this battery. Now we will apply an input signal at the input of this circuit and observe the output. What will be the output in this circuit? We are using this input signal. Now during positive half cycle, from this period to this period, during positive half cycle, this terminal is positive and this terminal is negative. But when this input voltage is less than this 5 volt voltage, this diode is reverse bias, because up to 5 volt, here the voltage is less than this voltage, so the diode is reverse bias, so it will act as open circuit and current will flow this through RL. So the output voltage here will be equals to 5 volt. As the charging time constant RL into C is high, so this capacitor will not charge in this case. When this input voltage becomes greater than this bias voltage, this diode becomes forward bias, so it will act as a short circuit. Now the equivalent circuit will look like this. Now the current will flow in this direction through this branch. In case of forward bias, the forward resistance of the diode is very less, so RC time constant is very less, so it will charge instantly. Now we will find the voltage across this capacitor. When we apply KVL, we will take the signs when the current is entering or the current is leaving the device. We are taking the signs when the current is entering the component. So VC positive because it is entering here. Now here plus 5 volt, again because entering here in negative terminal, so minus VI equals to 0. So VC equals to VI minus 5 volt. So VI 10 volt minus 5 equals to 5 volt. In this case, VC is, this capacitor is charged up to 5 volt. During positive half cycle, the output voltage will be equals to 5 volt because these two branches are in parallel and this branch has plus 5 volt. So, and as a parallel branches has equal voltage, so the output voltage is equals to 5 volt. Now during negative half cycle, this terminal is negative and this terminal becomes positive. So as this terminal is negative, so this diode becomes reverse bias, and in case of reverse biasing, it will act as a open circuit. Now the equivalent circuit will look like this. As this branch has no meaning, so we can remove this branch and the circuit becomes like this. Now the direction of the current will be anti-clockwise. Now we will find the output in this case. Now we will apply KVL in this loop. We are taking the direction when the current is leaving the component. So plus VI because current is leaving, so plus VI plus V0 and also plus VC equals to 0. So VI is 10 volt, so this is 10 plus V0 plus VC is 5 as we have find in this earlier case. So V0 equals to minus 15 volt. To find the DC level of the output waveform, we will put VI equals to 0. When we put VI equals to 0, so the equation becomes 0 plus V0 plus 5 equals to 0. So V output equals to minus 5 volt. So this is the DC level of the output wave. Now we will draw the output wave. This is the DC level minus 5 volt. During positive half cycle, the output is 5 volt. As we can see, during positive half cycle, the output is 5 volt. So we will draw the wave like this. Then during negative half cycle, the output is minus 15 volt. So now the output goes to up to 15 volt and then the cycle repeats. Then this cycle repeats in the same manner, in this manner. Now we will discuss negative clamper with negative bias. In case of negative bias, we will connect negative terminal of the battery with this N region and we will apply this input signal, at the input of this circuit. Now during positive half cycle, this terminal is positive and this terminal is negative. As this terminal is positive, so the diode becomes forward bias. So in this case the equivalent circuit will look like this during positive half cycle. So as the diode becomes forward bias, so it will act as a short circuit and the current will flow in this direction. As the current is flowing in this direction, so the capacitor will be charged with this polarity. This is positive and this is negative. In this case the output will be minus 5 volt because these two branches are in parallel and the negative terminal, this is the negative terminal here and this positive terminal of this 5 volt. So the output will be minus 5 volt. Now we will find the voltage across this capacitor. We will apply KVL in this loop. We are taking sign when the current is entering the component, plus VC, then minus 5 volt, then minus VI, plus VC minus 5 volt minus VI equals to 0. VC equals to VI plus 5 volt. As the VI maximum voltage of this input signal is 10 volt, so 10 plus 5 equals to 15. So the capacitor will be charged up to voltage 15. During negative half cycle, this terminal is negative and this terminal is positive. When this input voltage is less than this 5 volt, so the negative, this voltage is more negative than this voltage. So this diode will act as a short circuit because it is forward bias. So the equivalent circuit will look like this. In this case, as these two branches are in parallel, so the output voltage will be equals to minus 5 volt. When this input voltage becomes greater than this voltage, the equivalent circuit will look like this because this diode is, in this case the diode is reversed bias because here the voltage is much more negative than this voltage. So the diode becomes reverse bias. So this branch can be removed because it will act as a open circuit. Now the circuit will look like this. Now the current flow in this direction because this is positive and this is negative. Now we will find the output voltage in this case when input is greater than this 5 volt. We will apply KVL in this loop. V output plus VC plus VI. V output plus VC plus VI equals to 0. Now output will be equals to minus VI minus VC. Here VI is equals to 10 volt and VC is 15, as we have find it earlier. This is 15. So output voltage will be equals to minus 25. Now to find the DC level, we will put VI equals to 0. So when we put this VI equals to 0, the output will be minus 15. This is the DC level. Now we will draw the output waveform of this circuit. This minus 15 is the DC level. During positive half cycle, output is minus 5, so it is minus 5. Then during negative half cycle, output is minus 25, so it is 25 during negative half cycle. So this is the output waveform of this circuit and it will continue in the same manner. I hope you got the concept of negative clamper with positive bias as well as with negative bias. If you like the video, please hit the like button and subscribe the channel. Thanks for watching the video.